August is National Wellness Month, and Windflower Spa at the Hyatt Regency Hotel Hill Country Resort and Villas is offering a variety of different things for you through their Wellness Month. Michelle is joining us to tell us a little bit more. She is the assistant manager of the Windflower Spa. It's good to see you. Thanks for coming in this morning.
Thank you for having me, Shelley.
Yes, we all need a relaxing day around here. So tell us a little bit about the Windflower Spa.
So the Windflower Spa, we just went over a big renovation. We're now offering wellness classes in our new event space. That's 1,100 square foot.
Okay.
What you see here is our spa pantry where we create products, body products, from raw ingredients.
Okay, I love that. We've got some pictures of the spa pantry. Tell me a little bit about the pantry and what it's all about.
So what it's all about is we're going to talk about aromatherapy, how that can help your mood, how it can change your mood, and then also just sourcing some raw ingredients that are going to benefit you instead of purchasing something over the counter. You can create it at home in your own kitchen.
I like that. It sounds fun. So this is something that I could do like with my girlfriends or for like a bridal shower or something like that, right?
Yes, definitely.
Okay, cool. Well, what are we going to put together this morning?
Today we're going to put together a body scrub. So we could choose between Himalayan salt or sugar.
I pick salt.
Okay, great.
Yeah?
So we'll go ahead and put some salt in there.
Okay.
And what you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and come over here. We're going to go over some aromas here.
Okay.
So we have a few different single notes. We have our lemongrass. It's great for anxiety.
Ooh, smells good. Okay.
We have our French lavender, very relaxing, and our rosemary, very stimulating for the mood. So we can take this here and you could choose whichever one you like.
I like this one.
You like this one?
Yeah.
Okay, so we're going to go ahead and do lavender.
Okay.
Do a few
I feel
drops
relaxed
of those.
already. Yes.
We'll do a few of those, and then if you like to add some lavender, little flower buds to that.
Little lavender.
We will just mix those together.
Okay.
And what we would do is place them in the jar.
Okay.
This would be your final product.
Oh, that's
We'll also create a body butter.
Okay.
It's a jojoba and an organic shea butter blend, and then you could choose a different aroma depending on what time of the day you're going to be using the products, and then you'll package them up nice and neatly. And
I love that. So you even get to take a little something home with you.
Definitely.
Fantastic. Let's talk a little bit more about the essential oils, because I know that's an important part of the whole experience, right? Because it's so calming and relaxing. Yes, fantastic. Okay, so let's talk a little bit more about the events as well. If we want to book a day at the Windflower Spa, what's the best way to do that, and what should we be looking for on the website?
You can go to Hyatt Regency Hill Country Resort and Villas webpage, and from there you'll click on experiences and you'll see a variety of experiences. Our wellness experience include the Windflower Spa Pantries experience, intention bracelets, and we also have dried pressed flowers on canvas, and we have more to come.
Lots of fun things to do. And you mentioned the recent renovations. Can you talk a little bit more about that?
Yes, definitely. We've recently went under a renovation about a year ago. We reopened. We have an 1,100 square foot wellness event room that is great for meeting spaces or wellness programs like this, yoga, and even little weddings. Our whole entire spa has been revamped, re-imaged, and just love to have people come and enjoy it. If you haven't been out there in a while, come see us again.
Okay, good deal. Well, guys, if you are looking for a fun spa experience, you should definitely check out the Windflower Spa. Thank you so much for coming in this morning, Michelle. Let me give you all the details about the new Windflower Spa Pantry. They've got that open for fun things going on every Friday and Saturday in August. You can find out more when you visit HyattExperiences.com, or you can just call the spa directly at 210-767-5577. It's the Windflower Spa at the Hyatt Regency Hill Country Resort and Villas on Hyatt Resort Drive. The phone number is, again, 210-767-5577, and you can go online to HyattRegencyHillCountry.com for more details.